Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, restore Windows power option, only balanced power plan available on Windows 11, 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand system, click and expand current control set, click and expand control, click power. Create new DWord 32-bit value named as platform AOAC override, change value data to 0. Restart system. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy command from description and paste it. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.